But most of the time, we are pretty busy, whether it be on a dive watch. We have 2 4-hour watches per 24 hours. After the watches, we also have lots of other responsibilities, whether it be editing photos and videos, or helping out in the wet lab to process samples, or helping navigate and map the sea floor. So lots of things going on, but we do get some free time, and so we like to, listen to some of those downloads or watch some of those downloads. This dive will be going, I believe, for another, like 4 hours?
I think, well, we have to be on deck at 5, so probably at least an hour of ascent.
Okay.
Let's say we'll be the last watch.
Gotcha.
On the bottom, next couple hours.
Yeah, so our watch, we still have another about 2 hours and 40 minutes, and then after that we'll have about an hour ascent back up to the surface.
It's definitely getting steeper.
I'm not optimistic about rock situation.
The big rock over here, but it's too big.
We still are working on climbing the slope. We're not quite there yet, so just maybe there'll be more up ahead. It's getting steeper though.
Ship moving complete.
Happy.
Matt, I was going to say that there's actually a good
Maybe,
library
like, right
on
where
board.
the lasers are right
There's
now?
a what?
Library on board that's pretty good.
Yeah, oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, we
Yeah.
do have a library on board with lots of great reads. Obviously lots of ocean-related reads, but we have some others as well. And then I can't believe I forgot puzzles.
Yeah.
We have lots of
Loose?
puzzles that we do on board as well.
Perhaps not. You want to poke it?
Yeah.
All right, I'll get you closer.
And another question about how long it takes for the ROVs to descend or ascend. And so it just depends on how deep we're going, but normally at least an hour, sometimes longer.
The mountain here, but here, let's just give it a go.
Sorry,
It's okay. Oh, sorry.
That's not gonna work.
yeah, it's definitely.
Yeah.
All right, good
Just
try.
not loose. Valiant effort, but
Again, for those of you watching, we are exploring a previously unmapped until just earlier today and yesterday by EV Nautilus and unexplored location near Bokak Atoll in the National Marine Sanctuary of Baikar and Bokak in the Republic of the Marshall Islands. And so, like I said, this is the first time humans have explored this area. So those of you watching all around the world, you are getting to see this live for the first time with us. So you can also consider yourself explorers. So we have people from the US, Canada, Australia, Guam, Philippines, New Zealand, Norway, Netherlands, Malaysia, Japan, the UK, Colombia, and China. So all around the world, we're able to share this experience.
that's a big rock.
No, that's not coming with us.
You don't like that one, Steve?
I don't think it's gonna come with us.
Not holding my breath.
That is a
massive. All right,
that is a hefty piece of rock and probably connected to the mountain.
Curiosity, let's poke it.
Yeah, there's no way. Give this a low chance. Yeah,
it's not even.
All right.
I appreciate your initiative, though.
So it's getting a little steeper here.
Nice.
Nice. Hopefully we see some more stuff.
Oh, great.
My heading is currently 312-310. Just FYI.
Happy?
What's the best heading for just going straight up? Is it
310 right now, I think.
310?
Somewhere in
Yeah, in the center, that kind of looks like the most.
Okay,
there. I could set my sonar up and get a reading, but
copy that.
not.
Mariana, could you
uphill
tell
for
me
you.
how to
Point your
pronounce
camera up a little
this
bit.
seamount?
I'm looking 326.
Okay, you want me to bring my heading around a little bit?
Sure, 320.
Went 326?
Sure.
So 325, I guess.
Yeah, 326.
Say it again.
So accurate.
Yeah, 325 looks like uphill to
Yeah.
me.
Someone asked me to pronounce it.
Ready for no ship
I
movement?
think so, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll try. Lokoto nononon. Yeah. Best I can do. Sorry about that. Butchering the words over here. Some fun comments coming in.
How do you feel about your backlight coming off?
Yeah, you can kill it.
Okay.
If it's just blaring
Yeah,
back
it's just
at you.
blaring now that we're heading uphill. There we
Ship
go.
is moving.
Did that make your life worse or better, video? Okay. At least it doesn't throw the, like, I don't know, the light refractals or whatever, so.
Did we go with any bets on this this watch of what we might see or how many?
We don't have one going. It looks like 4 to 8 had another one going.
Yeah, I think that was what they thought they would see first. I think we should go with one. What should we go with? Number of something maybe? Number of a type of fish or something?
Number of loose rocks.
0.
And I'm gonna go
I'm gonna go 1.
1, yeah.
Yeah.
One loose rock.
I'll choose 2
Number
just
of
to be
rocks we'll
contrary.
check before we find a loose rock.
Oh, from this point on?
Oh, what are we at already? Like 8?
Yeah.
Lots.
I'm going with,
Wait, hang on.
we're going to check 2 more and the third one's going to be the prize.
Andrew?
I think we're gonna check 5 more.
I feel like I can throw the numbers.
I know, that's what ROV might have an advantage here.
Right?
I don't think, do we have?
No cheating,
agree.
ROV.
I'll just bump it with the skid and know if it's loose or not.
Oh, I set these up too close to each other. Okay, hang on. Okay, Matt thinks 3.
I think the third one will be the one we collect from this point.
I am going to say, I think we're going to check 6. So I think it's going to be the 6th one.
Neat little.
Rye, you
I'm
said
saying
5?
the 5th one.
Fifth one?
Is the one we're gonna collect.
Anyone else want to get in?
Collecting bets.
4, I guess. 4th poke.
I'll go 7 if we're doing prices right setups right now.
Okay, who said, was that Dan?
That was
Yep.
Dan.
Dan with 7, was that Levi with 4?
Correct.
Yeah.
All right.
8
8
for
from
me.
Mariana,
is that-
8.
That you? All right.
What's the prize?
I have one of those pineapple candies that Megan gives out.
Yeah,
Oh,
that-
good
that's a
prize.
good
It's
prize.
been in my pocket for a while.
It's warmed.
A smushed up pineapple.
Perfect.
What a
What more
prize.
could you want?
Those are great. I love those things.
All right, last chance. Anyone else want in on this? All right.
All right, here we go. Big stakes.
I think as we get steeper, it's gonna be, rocks are gonna be more and more.
Just had a question about how far down we are. So we are currently at 1911 or 1911 meters
Video,
below
let's
the surface.
zoom in while we wait for some tether.
Copy that.
Would this be a place we might see octopus or
Thank you for
chaunacops,
the
Steve?
spam.
Hope springs eternal.
Yeah.
That was a question, although I do hope for it.
Anything is possible.
Anything is possible.
Is this like chon-ups? I feel like we see on steeper slopes a lot.
This is kind of wild.
Anything
Yeah,
is
it's like
possible.
growing out of it.
Is that an old
So
coral
they actually
stalk?
wrap, they have a pedal disc, which is the foot. Usually it's circular. They wrap it around.
Oh, okay.
And so that's what you're looking at is the seam of the pedal disc.
Gotcha.
I think horror movies should be basing more of their creatures off of like deep sea stuff.
Right?
Agreed.
Like I know we have Alien, but like crinoids, like
Thanks, video. You probably zoom out.
All right, coming back out. I don't know. Crinoids not very menacing.
But what if all of its arms were like full of like spikes?
Or what if like
Yeah.
like face hugger from Alien, but it's a crinoid?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, maybe.
yeah, a crinoid like attacking your face.
Scary
terrifying.
stuff. We need less like sharks, and
Yeah.
we need more invertebrate horror movies.
Yeah.
Or like
I
the
could
fly
just-
trap, like
I mean,
wrapping
as they
around
are,
the
I
face.
could just see crinoids without the spikes just being very tickly, which is also a form of torture.
Are there when you sample a crinoid, like what are their
Ship moving complete.
They eject their arms
what
sometimes.
do they feel like?
Oh, like
Are
a,
they spiny kind of or
like a
Crinoids?
flexible.
No, they're very soft and feathery.
what?
Yeah.
The one you would want to pet, maybe.
Ooh, hello.
Cool
I
sponge.
mean, some of them, yeah, usually the branch, the tips of the branches are usually pretty feathery, but they do have stony hard parts on the backs of their arms.
Huh.
Nothing that's like a spike, like a spine. That's
No,
gonna hurt you.
no, I don't think there are any spinies in the crinoid world that I'm aware of.
Whoa, look at this sponge.
I'm going to give a quick shout out to my parents watching in Hawaii. I'll be seeing you guys in a week.
Yay.
Which is crazy.
I know, this cruise went by like so
I
quick.
know.
I feel like we were just starting the transit.
But then also when I think back to like Honiara, that feels like years ago.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah. That seems so long ago.
Right?
Yeah.
There's a guy in that sponge dungeon.
We going for a drive-by?
Got a comment
I'm
about
gonna
those horror
see how
movies,
close I can get you to
like the birds,
top disc.
but with crinoids.
Ooh,
Exactly.
close.
right for it.
Crinoids flying around the air is actually kind of, it's kind of a scary image.
Oh, and this is one that has the little
Slow
cap
down
on
again.
top, or the little,
Yeah, this is
I gotta be
Rigodrilla.
Yeah.
I'm gonna back up a little
Yeah,
bit.
yeah, Euplectillid sponge.
cool.
All right, coming
Yeah,
in.
you can kind of look down.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, you can see the little
Looks
guy
like
inside.
someone's home.
There is a, bring me up a little, probably a shrimp in there.
We're getting some great horror movie names too. Death by 1,000 Spicules.
That actually could happen. Yeah. Not advisable. Don't mess with spicules.
Yeah. Or the bamboo
Oh.
slimes
Hey,
at
we can
night.
zoom out.
Yep.
Thanks, video.
Thanks for that close-up on there.
Yeah.
That's also a tall sponge. So those little shrimp in there, they go in when they're just small, right?
Right. I think Steve was saying when they're small juveniles or newly born, maybe.
Yeah.
I'm going to also say hi to my cousins in LA. I feel pretty
Awesome.
far from you guys.
I also have cousins in LA.
Are they the same?
Cousins in LA?
I third the cousins in LA.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, what?
Why has everyone got cousins in LA? Where are they all coming from?
I don't have cousins in LA, so
Me either. But I do in Honolulu.
I have no cousins in Honolulu. I have cousins in LA and Singapore.
Oh, that's cool.
and in the suburbs of Chicago.
Should we do 20 more meters? What do you think? Go pilot, or do you want me to keep going a little bit further?
How about we just, well, let's raise the stakes. The first person to find and identify the loose rock gets the pineapple.
Oh.
Yeah, that's good.
Now we're really going.
I feel like that benefits science more than our other bet.
I think Val's going to be appreciative of that.
But it has to be collected in the box. What about this
Okay.
one here?
Steve's like, I'm on it. I want that pineapple.
Already
Steve proposed that
identified
right
the
before
rock.
he
I do
saw
feel
it.
like
he
you have
already
an
knew.
advantage in that the rest of us have to say that one. No, that one
Yeah.
over there, to the left a little.
He was like, I see a rock. And
Yeah, but Steve, I saw it first.
yeah.
All right.
I saw it, I just didn't say it.
We'll
just
cut the
didn't say anything.
pineapple in half.
I want to do another ship move.
Okay, and second
Yeah.
thought, I don't feel great about that one.
Can't take it back.
I think that one is solid.
Okay,
Yeah.
forget it then.
Yeah. Like 99% sure that one's solid.
Yeah. They always look, from a distance,
Yeah.
they always look loose, and then they're not.
No, it did look loose, yeah. Sorry, I'm just panning your camera. Can it? Huh.
On the lens? Yeah, I don't know where that's from. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not seeing any that really stand out to me.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
This rock gives you an idea how thick that crust is, though, because there's a solid 10 centimeters of
Yeah.
crust. You don't have to zoom on it. I'm just pointing it
Ooh.
out.
Look at that spiral thing over there. That's really interesting looking.
Can we zoom in the middle of that on the way by?
Sure.
I mean, I know one of these rocks is loose, but I mean, it's kind of just
The middle of the
sitting.
spiral?
Yeah. No. Yeah. Kind of want to look
We
there.
can poke that rock that you circled, Steve, if you would like.
No. It's
No?
long and skinny. I don't think it's the right kind of
Okay.
rock. So.
It looks
This
like
a
there's somebody in the middle
Bamboo
there.
coral?
Yeah, I think somebody might
Yeah,
be
this is a
on there.
bamboo coral. We
Come
actually
back for
collected
land.
this earlier in the expedition. I just wanted to get a closer look at this associate here. So we have a good example of this pairing.
Nice.
Thanks, video. I'll try to get you more stable as I land.
Oh, great. You.
All right, I've
Made a
landed.
great screenshot there.
The spiral is
Nice.
very photogenic.
Oh yeah, and this bamboo coral is reproductive too. You can see those kind of orangey
dots.
yellow
Yeah,
ovoids. And a matter of fact, I think the one we sampled several dives ago was reproductive also.
It's disorienting when the coral's moving
Very
in the
nice.
wings, 'cause I don't know
Yeah,
if
no.
the
So
ROV's
cool
moving or
looking.
it's moving.
Yeah, I'm really having to ride the focus on that.
I know, I'm like,
I'm like, oh gosh, the vehicle's moving, and then I look down and I'm like, no. It's
You're
just the
killing
coral.
that focus, Sam.
Yeah, you are.
All right, and scene.
All right, coming out. Thank you.
Got another fun horror name for a movie, Chrysogorgia, Devoured by the Deep.
I was trying to come up with like a gorgia pun.
Yeah.
Glad someone did it for me.
Uh-huh.
Steve, I have a question for you.
Sure.
So when you name all these species and work through the
Actually,
identifying
sorry,
them?
can we go back here?
Sure.
Want to zoom on that.
And you like update the family tree, if you will. Is there like an online like website to check it out, or how do we know like?
Yeah.
Is there
Yeah,
like
once the paper's published, it's there are databases that update the taxonomy.
Got it.
The one we use most often is called WORMS.
Worms?
Yeah, the World Register of Marine Species, and it's a curated database.
If you get a second, and we'll zoom in on the gorgia. So basically, worms. I had no idea.
Going for the associates again.
So,
Got a couple of them.
We got a couple of them on there.
yeah, large one and a smaller one.
I'm curious
probably go
though
closer if you
why
want.
they have such long claws.
Just to
front
reach out
arms.
there.
Yeah,
Get way out there.
guess.
so, some of them actually. So when you
Oh, lied. No, that's full.
all right, that's how it's okay. We can move.
Cool,
zoom
coming out.
Move on. What was the question before?
Long arms.
Long arms, yeah. So squat lobsters generally, we assume, at least on deep water corals, that they're feeding on something in the environment. So sometimes it might be waiting for stuff to swim by and snapping at it. I'm not sure too much about the Euryptychus. We're still trying to figure out how they feed and what they feed on. And there are some different ways we could do that. But for shallow water squat lobsters, especially as you get up into the mesophotic zone, and Hercules or any other ROV uses its lights, it's really cool to dive kind of where you have a lot of fish in the midwater, because these squat lobsters will actually actively snap at things that swim by, or if there's shadows.
Get over
so
here.
you can, yeah, they definitely, you take advantage of those long arms
Fine.
to grab at things.
Do squat lobsters eat fish?
Yes, yeah, and they'll eat anything.
Whatever they can catch.
I've seen them. They like grab the fish with one arm and then they like tear it apart with the other arm and eat it.
Oh.
Oh, that's cool.
I've seen
I
them
wanna
pull like
watch
a
that.
baby out of a pregnant mom. Like,
Oh.
What?
Talk about
that
horror
was a
movies.
bit-
Right.
Oh, that's a horror movie.
That was a bit graphic, yeah.
I think we talked about this in a previous dive, Steve, but just had a question. Do you know of any correlation to lunar phases in the spawning of deep sea corals?
Not that we are aware of.
Okay.
Yeah, that whole process doesn't translate well to the deep sea.
That's what I figured,
Yeah.
yeah.
It's too deep.
Too deep. Very little, if any, light.
I was a little frustrated though. I was hoping for some good stars, but the moon is almost full.
I know.
And,
We have the meteor shower tonight.
Has not, yeah. Past few years that I've been out to sea here, it's always
Although-
been a full moon.
Did you guys see the moon last night? It was incredible. It was huge. It was like bright orange, and it was like really, really big. It was really, really pretty.
Did you howl at it?
I will. I'll add a pic. I took some pictures. I'll add them.
Ready for another ship move?
It is a little bit steeper here, so I might explore it just a little bit more.
Okay, copy that.
All right, rocks, we're coming for you. Watch out.
Climbing.
It's getting steeper.
Oh, there's a cute little something on that rock.
Oh, an enemy. You know, snap an enemy as we go by here.
Anemone.
Copy that.
Whoop.
Is that another one of them tube ones?
It's an anemone. not a Syriantherian, so it's
Gotcha.
just a regular anemone, not a special tube anemone.
Just your basic anemone. Next video.
Yep, coming out. The drive-by ones are kind of fun.
Pretty steep here, Steve, just so you know.
Yep.
Give you guys a profile view.
Yeah, it looks very
At
steep.
most, we probably have another 50 meters up to go, according to the bathy.
Yeah, we could do 20 meters, I think. I'll keep going up.
What's it look like with bearing 300? Is that more up the correct way?
Yeah, we could turn.
Oh, look at that huge
Whoa.
rock. It's like square.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Blocky.
Yeah.
Block rock.
This is the Minecraft rock?
Yeah.
What heading is this?
Well, let's see. She's at 318 now, and it's a little bit off to her port. So if she wanted to square up to, we could turn out of land at her port a little bit.
Yeah, they look like little steps.
Yeah, a little stair step.
320? Or
300 looks like.
300 looks.
300?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
copy. Okay.
On my sonar, that's kind of where it'll.
Just had a question.
Steepest.
What would our biology bucket list animal be for the members of the current watch?
Octopus.
Yeah, for me, would really love to see an octopus or some interesting squids. Obviously a whale would be amazing, or a whale fall would be amazing. Anyone else want to give us their bucket list?
I don't know how deep they go, but if I saw a pipefish, I would be very happy.
Pipefish, cool.
Yeah.
I feel like that's a pretty, am I remembering these right?
My bucket list.
Yeah.
I always like to save this picture.
Steve just showed me a piece of a bucket trash found on a dive.
It's from,
Okay, I
from
was remembering
Johnson
these
Atoll a few years ago, the bucket on the seafloor, so that's my bucket list.
Oh my God, got an amazing another movie name. Public Anemone #1.
He's coming
That's
up with these
great.
puns. That was great.
Keep going.
Is this
Yeah.
multiple
Keep doing
people?
that.
I can't tell, these are all anonymous.
Oh my
Oh, we
god.
got the fish
Wait.
video?
But
Yeah.
they're really
Fish?
good.
Yeah,
Oh,
you
yeah,
can take
down.
fish.
Oh, we
How
need
does
to let
it-
you down.
Sure.
They better not be using GPT for this.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, it's a
Oh.
cusk eel.
Cuskill.
It's got
The
oh,
face is
It looks like a
Bring me up a little.
catfish.
different. Yeah. What?
Yeah, his eyeballs are,
That's so different.
look like they're glazed over or something. Parasite on
Cool.
the starboard eye. Go
Did
ahead.
it just feel the rock?
Oh gosh.
He has little mandibles down there. Little
That is
feelers.
full.
There's a couple scars on
The
top.
marks on it. Oh,
Oh,
look
that
at
eye.
Yeah, it looks like it
Eye?
has some scarring.
this is like Scar
That
from
looks like an
Lion King, right?
Yeah.
Like it gives the
Well,
impression.
that's beautiful. Yes.
Wow.
It's a good shot.
Yeah,
We
it's
should be able to
lining up
identify
nicely.
it using
I think this is like the
really
elder
nice head
fish.
profile.
Yeah,
Oh my
very
goodness.
wise.
Zoom back in. Go for the head.
Go for
Like,
the head.
sees the future through its
Yeah.
fogged eye.
Wow.
Wow.
Really cool.
If anyone
Can
knows
fish
someone
get
named,
cataracts?
Just a little bit.
Nice follow on that.
if anyone knows someone named Gina and/or Jenny, they're the ones who came up with some of those good horror movie names.
Loving it.
Keep them
Don't know
coming.
who that is, but pop off, Gina and or Jenny.
And Finn as well came up with
Easy
another
out.
one.
It's all right. I
Yeah,
lost
no,
it.
you're good. I'm coming out.
You said this is a type of cusk eel?
I think so.
Okay. ROVs, I just got a question maybe you can help me answer. How are Hercules and Acanella powered at these depths?
The ship sends power down the cable, roughly 3,000 volts, so 2,800 volts,
Gotcha.
all the way down, similar to like a power line.
Awesome.
Off the left-hand side, there might be some rubble in this diffuse field here.
Ship is stationary.
I thought they were
Ooh,
powered by love,
I
but like,
dusted the hill here, looks like.
The
You can
power
zoom
of
out.
friendship.
All right, that one.
That's what I was going to say, Steve.
All right. I saw it first, though. It's actually in a really hard spot.
I don't think I can reach this, Steve. It's too far in there.
That looks pretty tight.
yeah.
Or maybe this one.
Kind of feeling that one right at the bottom of the screen. Looks a bit like a dinosaur head.
Yeah, I see it. It's kind of out of sync. It's now, you can't see it anymore
Yeah,
now?
it just went out.
I can't quite get in there. See, there's like two rocks.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a ravine.
Can make a movie about.
Whoa. Look
Whoa.
at this.
Is that the, it's like the edge of a rock?
like
It
a
looks
piece of crust
very
or-
interesting looking.
Yeah, this is interesting. It's like a thin, crusty thing.
Wow. Looks like a tree root or something. I know it's not actually, but
I'll try to get you some perspective on it. See how thin that is? Huh. Yeah, unfortunately, Steve, I can't quite get down there where you
yeah,
pointed.
that's a tough spot. All the good rocks are in the tough spots, right?
Yeah. It's funny how it goes. Are we full wide?
Yeah, we're full wide.
Am I
You want me to
just
go
that
in?
Close?
More horror movie names. This one specifically for Val, I think would be her horror movie. The rock that wouldn't move.
I'll just float up it and we'll see if there's anything interesting on this rock and then we'll zoom out.
Copy that. I'll try to keep you in focus.
All right, that's probably a good video. We can
All right, coming
zoom
out.
out. I'll explore.
So many of these fish species down here, Steve, have they kind of evolved to have
That is full wide.
little eyesight, or and like more of these other sensory organs, if not completely lost eyesight?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But they'll mostly have other sensory organs and structures, but we don't know a lot about their vision capabilities. So
Gotcha.
visible light is almost certainly
Right,
not.
but they
a
could see
strategy.
in other spectrum.
Yeah.
Okay. Good questions, everyone.
Do you want me to go over there on the right and look for a rock, Steve, over here?
Yeah.
Or just stay? What do you think?
We have to chase down any target on the slope here.
I'm gonna come up there.
How about a Niskin bottle while we're on the slope? Might provide a different picture than above and below. And I
Sure.
think we'll have bottles available.
Sure.
Sure,
Yeah,
we've
we
got
could
Niskin
definitely do it.
4 is free.
I'll retract my camera.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'll wait for you to get settled.
All right.
One of our
We haven't been drifting any closer to the slope, so I'm
Okay.
comfortable with where.
one of our viewers who sent the public anemone #1 is also a crocheter of deep sea creatures, and they sent the
Ready?
link to their crocheted chonicops, and I think it's the
Oh
cutest
my
thing I've ever seen in my
gosh.
life.
That is really cute.
Gina, I must
Cameras
have it.
retracted?
Yes. So we're
All
going
right,
for the
so
second
Le-
one.
Leela, can you
We're
give
going
a
for the
depth?
second one?
I'm not sure.
Say one more time.
The fourth
The
one,
depth,
right?
please.
The depth is 1881
1, 2,
meters.
3, 4.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Leela,
Yes.
Okay,
I'm
those are
going for the
adorable.
fourth one, correct?
Putting
correct.
that on my
All right.
my Christmas list. I know what I want.
Getting in there. All right, everybody watching?
Watching.
Watching.
Oh, all right.
Oh,
Interesting.
Oh no, did that get lost?
I didn't see that trigger.
I didn't see it.
No, I didn't see
I
it
can
either.
always try grabbing the little... Should I try grabbing the little thing?
You could try. Maybe
I
with
don't
the
know.
finger of the jaws, if the finger's
I
small
don't
enough to
know.
fit through the hole of the
I don't
monofilament.
know if I'll be able to, but... Let's see.
If not, we'll just go for the next one.
Yeah, alright. I think I'll have to go for the next one.
Okay.
Okay, bottle 5?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm noting that bottle 4 failed to fire.
Yeah, that's weird. I wonder if those zip ties just got brittle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess so.
Alright. Yeah, can you bring me up a little bit?
Yeah, I got you.
Alright. I am pulling this one. Yeah,
There it is.
that one went.
Yep.
There you go.
Thanks.
Do we want to look at the porch and see if I can find that ring?
Nav, you got that?
I don't see it.
I do, it's in there. It's underneath the vessel, so you can't really
Perfect. Thank you.
see it.
Must have ended up down there. Yeah, we won't spend much time looking for it, but
Alright.
it's more just if it was in a convenient spot.
Alright, I'm going to set her back up. The Atalanta view.
Roger.
Work my way up the hill. Looking for rocks.
Going to be emailing that Etsy page to myself, so for those of you that would like to see these adorable chaunacops, I can share that with you.
Hey, what about that?
Sure, we can cook that. That's definitely a pokeable position.
I'll tilt you down a little bit.
Perfect.
There you go.
It's looking pretty thin.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not loose.
Okay.
No pineapple for you.
Incredible.
Nope, nope, nope.
No
And then
pineapple winners yet.
Just noting that we only have 1 Niskin left.
Yeah, Roger.
Yep. Got it.
Oh my gosh, the person who made the chaunacops also has a flapjack jelly crocheted, a piglet squid. I didn't even know those things existed. And a gulper eel, all of which going on my wish list.
I agree.
Okay, all right, hold on. All right about that.
A tiny little one? He's getting desperate, I can feel it.
Wants that
I don't know.
pineapple.
It'll take crumbs.
I'm officially a doubter.
Okay,
doubting.
all right.
Officially a doubter. I think this one's loose.
Yeah.
I think it is loose.
I mean, it's not big, but
But it's possibly loose. Are you...
No.
Here, I'll...
Stand by one second.
Sorry, jumped the gun a little bit there.
Alright,
It's
try
pretty
that.
stable.
I'm
Let me know if you wanted me to bring you in camera side.
Yeah, that's loose.
Way.
it's loose. Why don't we pick it up just
Yeah.
All right.
Just in
as
case.
a yeah.
Come here.
nice.
It's got volume. It's voluminous, and I think
Nice.
that
You want it, Steve?
that matters.
If I could get a quick spin.
Yeah, bring it in.
Nice. Beautiful rock.
Look at that rock.
Look at my rock. How are we feeling about it?
Yeah, let's stow it.
Nice.
Starboard,
Okay.
inboard compartment.
Roger.
Coming wide.
Just getting
Oh
configured
my
here.
goodness.
I'd like to donate my pineapple to someone in better need. Yeah.
That's really
Can we
kind
switch
of
it to
you,
sample?
Steve.
Yeah.
I gotta switch the little cameras
Donate
over
your
here.
pineapple to the needy.
Cameras, starboard bio.
In that case, I got a pineapple candy up for grabs.
And then
Anyone wants it?
If no one's claiming it, I shall.
All yours, my friend.
I gotta
Heck
open
yeah.
the box.
Alright, where do I not have a hang on, I'm like
Nav,
way
we
low.
have 194 going in now.
There we go. Did the angle of that camera change?
Oh, thank you, sorry.
I'd like to have
Alright,
this
we have
movie
anything in
idea in the
A?
back of my mind.
We have nothing in any of them.
Okay. I'm gonna go for A. 'Cause
Yeah, you look like you're in a great
I
position
don't
for
want
it.
to deal with it later. Let's see, remembering what joints are what. I want to pitch. There we go. Oh, I caught on something. Here, sorry. Picking up my... Alright. How do we look for A?
Should be able to open right there. Just gentle open.
Okay. Oh
Just
no.
wiggle.
Oh,
Twist.
that's a new one.
Great. Here, I'm gonna...
There it goes.
There
There
we
it goes.
go.
You're in.
Alpha.
Nice. Alright.
Awesome. Just
was
had a
funny.
question
No
about...
sound effect on this one?
Oh, sorry, I'm off my duty. EV Nautilus, collecting rocks, rock o'clock.
Steve gets the snack, huh?
Pew, pew, pew.
He's donating it though.
Yeah, he donated it. Just
Oh,
had a
freestyle,
question, I believe, from one of my friends, Dr. Laura Walker.
That was a good one.
Wanted to know what's covering all these rocks. So we have lots of corals and sponges, and then this is a ferromanganese crust that covers most of these rocks that we're seeing.
Yeah, mostly iron and a little bit of manganese.
And
It's a good time to switch if you want to fly.
although
Sure,
there's
yeah.
no light or very little light, most of these corals are heterotrophic, so they don't require the algae symbiosis to help them get their energy.
It's stretching time.
2 hour stretch, woo-woo.
Woo, stretch time.
So, so who won the other poll game? Nobody?
I stopped keeping track after you said, but I believe, I want to say Matt might have.
I think it was. I wasn't going to say anything.
I think we poked 2 rocks,
And then the third we collected.
and then the third we collected.
Whoa.
But
So,
we can go back and
yeah,
check.
that makes
Ooh,
sense
that's
that
cool.
I shall
Outcrop,
have the
yeah.
donated pineapple.
I think those are like lava tubes or something.
It's a coral in there, eh?
Oh,
Black coral.
There must be like a lava bubble that comes up that just collapses. And Val, we need you.
Or is it like manganese and then like whatever was under the manganese? It's got to be lava tubes, right?
Actually, yeah. Interesting.
Should I bump into the thin? No, they don't want the thin stuff.
Video's back on if you need me to
I forgot
snap
to
on
give you the
anything.
actual pineapple.
Let's see if I can catch it. Oh,
Nice catch.
Thank you.
Whoa. Hello.
So that's a completely zoanthurian covered hemicorallium over there. We saw one a bit earlier. That white coral on the right-hand side. The
Want me to
primary
snap on
coral
that?
living on there has totally been consumed by the zoanthid.
Did you guys ever do a bet for the total number of samples for this expedition? We're on 195, right?
Like
how many we'll have by the very end?
Oh, like has science team done anything like that?
Yeah, well, I think we talked a little bit about at the end of the watch last time we were on dive.
No, we have not.
Okay, well, I'm still interested, but I might want to revise mine now that I know how many dives we have left.
Yes, much to think about.
Uh-huh.
All right, well, let's keep going up to the top of this. We're about halfway there.
Right, just let me know when you're ready for another step. I know it's a steep incline.
I know. I'm going to let Levi get settled.
Yeah.
And then I'm thinking we do like 10 meters.
Yeah, just because it's so steep right now.
Yeah, because we can't see the top of it with Atalanta yet.
Yeah.
So.
You only have 3 beams.
How do you feel about 10 meters
10
step
meters. Sounds great.
at 320?
320,
Perfect.
copy. Bridge nav.
Ooh, here we go.
Yeah. Oh, we're already looking way up.
You just put a rock in alpha.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Thank you for that. Oh, we got a crinoid tumbling down the...
Oh.
That ship is moving.
Neat holes in the terrain. So I'm watching for overhangs.
Yeah.
Okay, Niskin. So 4
What
was
do we
a
have?
no-go, and we did 5.
This is when it starts getting tricky with this terrain.
Yeah.
What is that?
What
Is
are
that
you
a
looking
big
at, Steve?
sponge stalk?
Yeah, we can look at that.
Oh, wow.
That is
It's huge.
giant. Or is it wood? Can we zoom on
Do
that?
you want to zoom on it? Yeah.
If
Okay.
that's wood, we may want to take a look.
Go on
but
in.
There's
Go on
actually
in.
other big ones in
Yeah.
the background.
Being
Yeah.
right behind that. I think that's
it looks like sponge to me, yeah.
Just sponge.
Wood wouldn't be so covered with sediment.
Yeah. So that's
Okay.
just sponge.
Yeah.
coming out.
Come
I
on.
bet you there's a pile of loose rocks here, actually. Can we hold and see if there's maybe, just for a good measure, maybe pick up another rock in this area? Because
Yep.
there look to be a bunch of loose ones there.
I'll just find a nice spot in there. There we go.
Bless you.
Based on seeing this, I'm excited to see what's at the top.
Me too.
Oh my gosh.
Thinking maybe this one?
Yeah, okay. Spot in here.
Another hole in the rock back there too. Looks like.
Want to tilt me down, Levi?
Yeah, absolutely.
I think was the rock that you circled in here, Steve?
I think you're right on top of it.
Oh, sorry.
Ship moving.
Yeah, that one. Roger. Okay,
The ship is stationary.
Roger.
Oh, it does look loose.
Just setting down.
Nice. Looks
Okay.
perfect position.
There you go.
Yes.
All right, let's do that. Think
It's
that.
a pokey one.
Does that give us a little bit better chance? Maybe one of these will be good.
Holy rock, Batman. Question about what's causing these big holes in the rocks. I don't think we know.
All right.
Maybe they have
Bring it
fallen
in
off.
for a little
A larger rock
360.
falling down slope and broken, but unsure.
All right, that looks good. Let's stow it.
All right, coming wide.
Probably starboard again.
Roger. You in a position to open that box?
Yeah. Let me know when you want sample salvo.
Yeah, you can do sample.
And you've also got a view of your craft in bubble.
Great. That's my favorite view.
Yeah.
Otherwise you have like no reference of the azimuth. Can open the box.
Okay. Starboard box is coming open. And that should fit in one of the smaller ones, right?
Yeah.
B.
That'll fit, yeah.
It's my luck, it'll go in A.
Oh, C.
Charlie,
I was trying to like,
it really wanted to go in that one. It just,
Yeah. All right. That box is coming closed. So data that went in C.
Heard, thank you.
And I'm gonna take us back to the dive salvo.
great.
There you go. Should be able
For our audience members just tuning in, we are on EV Nautilus Expedition NA174. Our current dive is exploring a previously unexplored seamount south of Bocock Atoll in the newly founded National
Do you want me
Marine
to turn
Sanctuary
Acanella
of
port just
Baikar
a little
and
bit? See how
Bocock
I'm
in
not
the
landing
waters
Yeah,
of the
let's
Republic
do
of the
that.
Marshall Islands. We are currently looking for biologic
I'm gonna
and
start going
geologic
back up the slope.
specimens to collect. They can tell us a little bit more
And I just kinda wanna see
about
if we
range
start
extensions or possible new species,
getting over it before I
as
make another
well
move.
as a little bit about the geophysical processes of
can't see
Earth's
very far.
history and how
Yeah.
these incredible environments were formed. Another interesting thing that we're collecting in this expedition is eDNA, or environmental DNA, using a large volume multipuffer, as well as Niskin bottles.
Yeah, Atalanta's lined up with it now.
That was a good synopsis.
Thank you.
So I'm fine with following this and being almost like par delta with you as long as I can reach.
Okay.
And then if not, we'll do a small move
Okay.
and going slow. How do you feel about that?
Yeah.
That would be
perfect.
my,
Perfect.
This
Someone-
is like straight up.
yeah.
Someone just asked what salvo means. I don't know if we've said that. What is?
This is neat.
I don't remember saying that.
Oh,
What
I
would
can
I
answer that.
see
Oh, you
in
can?
my
Oh,
yeah.
sonar if I was
So that's when
gonna hit a
either
overhang?
I or the pilots have to switch the views on their screens. A salvo is just one button that sends multiple commands to change multiple things at the same time.
Oh,
So they can, when they're doing a sample, it switches multiple cameras on their screen at once.
cool. Good to know. Awesome.
Like a shortcut.
Well, there you go. Hopefully that answers your question. I was unaware.
This is a very big wall.
Yeah. Oh, look at this thing.
Whoa.
It's massive.
Keeps
Wow.
going.
Yeah.
Wow.
That is a
Do you want to zoom on any of these polyps, Steve?
I see that branch point or anything?
Really
Yeah.
cool.
Branch, all right?
Crazy
when,
looking.
maybe there's the end
Oh
of
my
it.
gosh, it's so long.
It just keeps going.
When does it
Whoa.
end?
There.
Can we see the
That
green
was-
dots so we can size
Yeah, you
it?
can snap
Yeah.
that video.
All right, snapping in.
Yeah, and again,
watch my side,
for
make
those
sure
of
I
you
don't
watching, those
hit
two
the-
green little laser dots are 10 centimeters apart, so
Yeah,
they
look at
tell
your
us a
back.
little bit
You see
about
your
the
back-
size.
Your butt cam.
Yeah.
Be careful on your port side.
Just
That would
staying
definitely
off
be
it.
a sparse brancher, as we say in the biz.
Yeah. There we go.
You can see how big it is relative to Hercules in the
Yep.
Atalanta view.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Sorry, current's pushing me off.
You're okay?
All right.
Steve, how do you think?
Come on.
How old do you
out.
think that is?
Oof. I can't hazard a guess.
Oh,
So
you
it's
were-
like probably decades.
Yeah,
You were much further from
I
that
know.
than I
I
thought.
was so
Many
worried about
decades
hitting the
old.
wall that I
Maybe to a couple,
overshot.
100 years.
But I think we got
Yeah.
what we
I don't think
needed.
more than 150 years or so.
All right.
So one of the things that gives you insight into time is if you look at all of these dots on the rock, those are all old coral bases. So it tells you that corals really like this spot
Yeah, definitely.
over time.
Very
And
cool.
if some of those
Did you
coral
turn
bases
Joy
are
Gate down?
larger, you can
Sorry?
imagine
Did you
corals have
turn
been
Joy Gate
growing
down?
here for probably
I did a little
centuries.
bit.
Okay.
Yeah,
Because I thought it was at 80.
right.
I just wanted more control if I
Yeah.
was gonna hit an overhang or something.
Some question about these rocks, what kind they are or what they might be made of. Many of them were formed probably due to volcanic activity, coated in a ferromanganese crust, and we're really hoping to find some that may contain some basalt, because they can, again, tell us about the history of the geophysical processes on Earth. Oh, thank you for that comment, whoever said that.
It depends how close you are to it. Like the closer you are to it, the harder it would be to see, because it's 6 meters per. But it would just look like that, like a line. Yeah.
Some more movie titles like Jack and the Bamboo Stalk.
I could tilt my camera up.
So I have an idea, but I don't have a good title for it, but
Oh, yeah.
I want to have a movie
We
set
looking in that little hole there?
during the Cambrian explosion with all the weird ancient
Yeah,
fossilized.
yeah.
Without blowing out the sand in there
I
too
feel like
much.
that would be really, you could get some really cool CGI on that.
Yeah.
Get some like action adventure, big A-list actors, actresses on there.
We'll call it
Alright.
the Cambrian explosion.
Yeah.
Working title.
Working title.
Working title.
I love it. I hope to see it made one day.
Mhm.
We do have a resident script writer on board, Amber.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, she's writing a script right now to.
That might be the challenge of all challenges. Make a really exciting
brittle
thriller
star?
about prehistoric paleofossils.
That sounds amazing. I would totally watch it.
So this bamboo here is well known. This one is Acanella weberi.
It's really
It's
cool.
very distinctive branching.
It's very different than the others we've seen.
It's
Do you want to
actually,
look at this, Steve?
You can do a snap zoom.
Yeah.
I can
Okay.
tell
Alright,
just from
copy.
the
Go ahead.
branching.
Coming in?
The weberi has this kind of monopodial branch,
Sorry.
and then it has like
No,
a
you're good.
4 or 6-way branch point, really low. And you don't even need to look sometimes at the polyps, but the polyps do help determine the identity of this Acanella weberi.
It's all right.
It's been sampled
Yeah.
widely in
Think I
areas
found
around the
the
Northwest.
holes a
I
little
think
bit,
it's
yeah.
very wide-ranging species.
All right. How do we feel about another 10 meter ship
Yeah.
move?
Maybe
Coming wide?
290.
Yeah, come on.
Copy.
Just had another question about how long our seasons last. They can vary. This season, this is our 4th expedition of the season. Is that correct? I can't remember.
Yeah.
70, 71, or no, did it start with 70 or 71? I can't remember.
We had Shakedown, the Mariana
Yeah.
1 and 2, and then Solomon.
And
So
then,
this is the 4th one.
okay, so this is the 4th, and then we have 2 more after this. Each expedition within the season can last anywhere from 10 days to 3 weeks or longer. So normally this season is a good 4 to 5 months, if not longer.
I think this is another one of those corals you were talking about, Steve?
Yep, I think
Yeah.
so. Might be another one here. And this one here is one we've been seeing all dive long. This is really high density. We don't have to zoom on it. I'm just pointing it out. It's called Ramuligorgia militaris.
Ramuligorgia, that's cool.
Ramuligorgia.
Ramuligorgia.
That little cave there right below is cool.
That one you can find all the way from the Musician Seamounts, all the way down to American Samoa, and
wow,
all the way to from Palau to as far east as, I don't know. It's not found on the continent. It's not found in Central America, so its distribution is central and western, north-south Pacific wide.
So it's like such
Could
a
I get the name
hollow
of that one more
structure.
time? Sorry.
Yep, I'll put it in the sea log.
It's gotta be like lava pillow, like
Yeah.
tubes, right?
is it militaris species name?
Pulling up.
Yeah, militaris is the species name because the person who originally described it, and back then when they described it, it was known as Pleurogorgia militaris. But he named it militaris because when the polyps are closed and dried, they look like, he attributed to them to be like soldiers standing up in a line.
Okay.
So that's why it's called militaris.
Okay, so that ship
Cool.
move's done.
Steve, have you named anything?
I have
Gabby?
not.
That ship move's
What's
done
your
now.
favorite
I'm surprised by that,
Yeah,
actually.
just finished.
Okay.
It's a lot of work.
Ooh.
I've definitely
I
collaborated
think we
on
could do another 10.
aspects. I prefer to work with the molecular
290.
data
Yeah.
myself,
Copy
but
that.
that is part of taxonomy. But I do have a couple of projects that are on my bucket list,
Oh, cool.
my to-do list, ever-growing to-do list.
I love these corals. They're so cool. Iridigorgia?
Iridigorgia. Yeah. All right, ship is moving.
Oh,
Yes,
like the shadow
Iridigorgia,
from
yep.
my light.
So you're noticing as we get to the top of this, the biology is somewhat of an indicator.
Uh-huh.
Like when we first sat down this morning, we were seeing a lot of stuff right on the edge of the slope. And I think it's because water typically flows downhill
Uh-huh.
and wraps around features. And this is one of those things where you have a promontory that's jutting out into an area that's deeper and also occurs on a slope. So it's expected to see this kind of stuff.
Nice. Getting some good flow.
Good
Are those
flow.
big ones in the background all Acanella?
I think they're all Acanella, yeah.
Another question about our upcoming
There's some growing in that little hollow.
expeditions. I
Yeah.
believe they
Yeah.
are just mapping
Oh, big one.
expeditions.
Really interesting.
Not 100% sure. I
big
have
one.
heard talk that we
Oh, it's all bamboo
might
corals
also
here.
be using ROV Little Hercules on our last expedition of the season, but don't quote me on that.
Do you want to see this big one, Steve? Or?
Yeah, can we just maybe do a snap zoom there?
Yeah. Here, I'll get a little
There's
bit
a lot of
closer.
denuded coral
Alright.
colonies here, which
Let me
makes
know
me
when you're
think there's a
good.
lot of predation going on, so
Yeah, I'm
keep an
gonna
eye out
float
for
it.
sea
Okay, do it
stars.
there.
Okay, copy.
We did see a sea spider that was predating upon bamboo coral earlier in the dive.
Cool.
Those orange blobs are
Yeah,
actually
what are those?
anemones
Huh.
that are wrapped around the bamboo coral.
That
This
is
one looks
full.
a little similar to the one we've already sampled on this expedition, so just want to get a view and then we can move on to the next.
So, somewhere in this
Go ahead.
approximate area, I
Don't
think
what?
is a good place for our final Niskin bottle,
It's a big,
particularly
Okay.
as we're
were
coming to
those
the end of the
bamboo
dive.
corals?
Yep. Yeah, what's
It doesn't have to be right here, but just in the, while we're in this
right?
I'll look
area
more
of
over here, 'cause
diversity.
this is more where my
So I think
slope actually is.
yeah, let's see how far up this goes.
Yeah.
And for navigation, here's what I'm thinking. We don't have to go straight through 5, 6, 7. We can kind of parallel them, you know, like
Ride
in
the
the
ridge.
same direction. You know what I'm thinking?
Sorry?
Okay.
Steve, we just
To
got
follow
a
the contour.
Yeah, follow the contour more. Yeah,
Okay.
because I think that will be more productive biologically,
Copy.
and it still
Yeah.
gets us in the same direction.
Is that just a very large
So which heading do you
crinoid?
think it would be?
Oh, that's
so
a
many.
This crinoid here, the stalked crinoid, is one we haven't seen often. It's called Guilacrinus, or in the Guilacrinidae family. Ooh, this, can we look at that?
Since
The
we're doing
red?
this, I'm going to switch filters again. So
Okay, still doing good near
Switch
center.
the
Leela-
multipuffers.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
We going for that pink coral?
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn
just gonna get
off 7
closer.
and 8
Copy that.
right now.
All right.
And then I'm going to turn on 9 and 10.
So 7 and 8 are off now.
All
7
right.
and 8 are
I think
off.
we're going to pause here
9
and do a
is
couple collections.
Okay.
Gearing up.
Just
Maybe
give me
I'll
one
ship
and
this
moment to get
10
some
is
Oh, okay. I'll let
turning
you get
on.
situated first.
How do you,
Yeah.
we're going to be collecting, in this area.
Okay.
I think we're going to take a very small piece of that red Paragorgia.
Let me see if I can find a good
Steve,
spot
I
to
had a
perch
question.
with
Have you
my-
ever seen a barrel eye fish on a dive?
Leela, what's the
I have
depth
You did
here?
your left.
I just looked them up. They're incredible
1843.
looking.
Yeah.
It's wild.
1843?
1843, yes.
Monterey Bay Aquarium
You want me to float that?
has
so
one.
All right, 9 and 10 are on.
Try to keep
Oh,
the
wow.
side of
All
the
right.
drawer on the ground somewhere.
You are super quiet.
Check.
I need to turn you up.
I think my side toe's just high. Try to get the left side of the drawer. Sit down somewhere.
Thank
Oh,
you very
the
much.
porch just sitting here.
Yeah, somewhere there. I'll reach out.
Yeah.
Also, Steve, props to you. These people can't believe you haven't described a species. Your name is so well known in this field. We just can't believe it.
Not yet. I mean, I aspirationally, and I have a couple of papers in progress.
Cool.
From recent Nautilus cruises, but sometimes it takes a while to do that work.
Some more
Especially,
questions.
it's not my full-time job.
Yeah.
But, that would be the dream.
Yeah.
It's a full-time taxonomy.
All right.
Nice.
Here, I am down, and I'm
Some
just
more
getting-
questions. Do we ever see sea slugs or nudibranchs this deep?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've collected
Okay.
one actually a few
Get
dives
the
ago.
zoom?
Thought so.
No, just give me a
Awesome.
second.
Okay,
I'm just waiting
cool.
to see
Yeah,
how
yeah,
it settles out.
So the red Paragorgia is going to be our first collection.
Happy?
So I think if I stick lock there and give it auto head. Let's see if it figures
Paragorgia with the
itself out.
P as in Penelope.
I think we are good.
P-A-R-A.
Coming in. Get a
G-O-R-G.
shot
And
first.
we're gonna want to do a zoom on that first.
So this is called a bubblegum coral, and you'll see why in a couple seconds, why it's called that.
Oh, it's beautiful.
This actually belongs to the same family as precious corals.
Okay. We got
It
some
used to
brittle
belong to its
stars.
own family, then it was demoted based on new genetic data.
Aw. Some amazing more comments coming in about how much you appreciate it, Steve.
All right.
All right, coming wide for
Wanna-
sample.
Yeah. Want to tell us how much of this you want, Steve?
Not much. Yeah, I think maybe it's something like, like this, like a little haircut.
Happy
Yeah.
haircut.
Is that where you're able to grab?
Wonder if I can get the jaws like in between one of the.
I'm not sure how firmly this is attached to the wall, so I think if we can, less is more in this case.
You might have an easier time getting like the bottom stalk of it a little bit, but
That's good. I like where your bottom
I was thinking like try to get the bottom jaw.
bottom
like
jaw
Yeah.
is
there.
placed.
Just try to cut some of it off.
and this is gonna be a
It's a sinker.
okay.
Yeah. And I think we can just throw it in the forward box.
beautiful.
Nice
It's
grab.
really distinctive.
All right, I'm
Coming
retracting my camera.
I like forward box.
Yeah. Let me know when you're ready for
yeah,
the
you
forward
can-
box.
Yeah, you can break box out easy.
I think either side is okay.
I'm gonna tilt down a
Dealer's
bit.
choice. What do you
just
think?
take a look
You have a
at.
preference?
Omega has 3 things, Lambda has 1. So
Okay, coming out.
but
Okay,
none of
that's
them are very big.
lambda.
And I'm bringing that back in just very
It
slightly.
totally does look like bubblegum.
There.
Yep.
I just don't want you to bend it if you hit it.
So I know we've talked about this a little bit before, Steve, but just to answer this question and remind our viewers, how many new species do we typically see in an expedition season?
That's a good size chunk.
Nice.
Perfect. And then I would like to suction that mushroom coral there.
Okay. I'm going to bring
It's
the
Anthomastus
forward box closed.
tahinotus, but it's actually not on our genetic reference library yet.
Oh.
Do you want to zoom on
yeah.
that coral?
Yep.
I am going
And
to
it's
extend my camera
pretty
as well. So.
common,
You okay?
but it's
Yeah,
never
you're
been
good,
collected
thank
by
Was not
Oceanus
expecting that.
Explorer, Valcor,
There you
or
go.
Nautilus.
Yes,
Wow.
these will
in the
be
past,
separate sample numbers.
New collection.
this will
So
be
yeah, that kind of
199
goes with that
coming up.
question.
Sorry?
You know,
Jar
we are
5.
exploring areas
Jar
And
no
this
five.
one's
one's ever
really
been
small. They
before.
actually get very large. The type locality for this
Okay.
species is French Polynesia.
This will be 199.
Yeah. And I think it was
It's
described
beautiful.
back in the 1990s.
Nice.
Our
All right.
video's clear. We can
Cool. Yeah, I'm good. I'll come back wide. You
Sweet.
can
I'm gonna need the
suction that
camera
up.
to see the
And I can tilt you a bit to look at your suction.
I don't know where the type specimen is located, and that would be worth checking on.
You think you'll be close enough for?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just another question about the live streams on Nautilus. So even when we are not doing ROV dives, we still stream 24/7 on nautiluslive.org.
When we're not diving, we're typically mapping.
Yeah,
So you
so
can watch us map.
watching the mapping, learning a little bit more
You bring
about
that in for you too.
the bathymetry of the deep ocean.
Here, I'll tilt down a little bit.
This is what
more,
you want,
sorry.
right? This is gelatinous guy.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you can pour that blue tape
Oh,
can
so
go like through the thing a little
While
bit.
that's
It's
being
fine.
up, this is actually that. So never mind. Disregard. But
Okay.
I was just pointing out to the folks.
We ready for
Is that
suction?
the one that
that's
we?
the stoloniferate.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
see,
I
this
thought
is how
so.
it normally grows, and
Yeah,
Bring
how
it
in
hard
like
that
on.
is to collect.
along the edge. Yeah, like
Yeah.
you were saying.
And hopefully
So
we
it's
don't
collected
start.
by a tiny,
There it
tiny
goes.
fleshy strip.
And you might have to scrape it off the rock.
And did you have the species name for that mushroom coral?
Yep.
Almost.
Anthomastus tahinotus. So put it in this. You have sea log up there? Yeah.
I do. Thank you. There's someone in the notes
There
was
you
asking
go.
for it, or sorry, in the
Beautiful.
chat
Very
was
nice.
asking as
All
well.
right, coming back out.
Thank you, Steve.
Okay, that's in there.
Anthomastus tahinotus.
Great job.
And just confirming that went into slurp jar 5.
Yes. Slurp jar 5. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next jar. Okay.
Cool.
Was there anything else you wanted to look at in this spot, Steve, while we're all
I
settled?
think that's it.
Okay.
Yeah. That was fun.
Perfect.
You're full wide, so good to go.
Nice,
Sure.
thank you.
I have not gotten those yet, no.
Okay, I'm gonna keep following this ridge then.
Do you want them?
Yes, one moment. Okay. Yes, I am ready for those whenever.
Okay.
This will be pump 7 and 8.
Pump 7, 202, 462.
This is all very Dr.
Okay.
Seuss looking.
202, 462.
Correct. Pump 8,
Look at that big dead sponge down there.
189976.
A skeleton.
189976.
That's right.
All right, I've got that. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's turning to look more up the...
As the ROV moves up the mountain.
Sorry?
Nothing. I have a David Attenborough voice.
Do you don't have the, you do the British accent too.
No, not on the air, but
Someone was asking if we, for some reason, Dan, your picture isn't showing up on the watch right now, but we do have a video engineer, Dan Kirilov, and he is
that's
amazing. We're so lucky to have him.
Oh, yeah, we've seen that a few times.
Here, hold on. I can do a brief cameo on Sat 3.
Yeah.
Woo, Dan!
There he is.
what's your last name, Dan?
Okay, so the type
Kirilov.
specimen is actually located in the Paris
Kirilov?
Museum for Tahinotis.
Paris Museum, okay.
Yeah.
See that like orange stuff
French
in
Polynesia
the crevice?
makes
Steve?
sense.
From Seattle. Dan
Oh,
Kirilov.
say again?
New iris up video.
Oh,
Do you see in the crevasse? Oh, it's so shadowed.
Also had a question about if we
Never
will be
mind.
going back to the Marianas Trench
All
next
right, you
year.
can go back to normal
I am
iris
not
video.
sure.
Ooh,
Normally,
hello.
normally when we do our plan our dive locations and expeditions, we always want to meet with
Showing
the
off for
local
us.
stakeholders
Yeah.
of the areas we might potentially explore to kind of see what priorities they might have in mind that we can help out with our expeditions. So stay tuned for more information about our 2026 season and where we might be exploring.
I think I'm in a bit of a like divot here, so I don't have much sonar elsewhere.
So do we want to turn right and stay at this depth and stay at this contour, or do we want to go up more?
yeah, I think we want to follow the contour
Okay.
and stay at this depth.
Is that the orange you were talking about?
It lets us move in the same direction as the waypoints and keeps us in touch with the hard substrate here.
All right. So I'm going to turn right.
Dan, apparently
Cut
one
the
of our
I'm gonna
Okay.
stay at this
one of
depth,
our
and I'm gonna
Yeah,
go
I'll
up.
audience
just go along.
members thinks
Yeah.
you look like
Sounds good.
Stephen Curry.
I'm gonna turn
Can you see that? You can see the top.
I don't
though.
see
We're
it.
roughly at the top of this kind of wall feature.
Yeah, we
rise.
can see more.
Me neither,
at
but
the
thank
top
you.
of it. So yeah, I'm gonna stay facing the slope.
Yeah, you stay facing
Yeah.
the slope. I'll cut it a little bit,
Yeah,
and then we move along it.
yeah.
Try to stay at this depth. What ends up happening is as a pilot, I always wander up, so it's hard to like
Yeah, Dan, you're getting some
resist the urge
compliments.
of climbing
Yeah.
and stay down. And
Well,
it
that's
feels
very
good.
nice. Thank you, everybody.
And then maybe the next move will be like along the contour.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what that bearing will be. Maybe like, yeah, exactly. Something like
Yeah.
that, or maybe 30 or something like that. Sometimes you like accidentally go too far away from the slope, and then we'll have to bring Herc down a little bit. And sometimes we'll go too close, but it depends on what actually happens with the rocks. But I think 35 is a good start.
350,
Steve,
yep.
did
Yeah.
you want to wait a little longer before the Niskin?
Oh, yeah, we should-
I'm
wait,
flexible.
sorry,
If we're going
wouldn't
to
that
stay
be
at this
035?
contour and
Um,
expect more of this,
I
then
think
that-
let's
Yeah,
see what we
whatever the
let's see what
contour
we
is.
Because
come
we're
into.
following
I
the
think
contour like that, right?
yeah, it may be patchy up top here, so we may come into more stuff.
Or what?
maybe northbound.
What's really nice is that we have good reference barcodes for
So
these.
like my sonar,
Acanella
I'm
weberi.
currently face into the contour,
So we should be able to if we can
Okay.
pull
which
that out,
is
those sequences out of
290.
eDNA. It'd be really
So
neat.
go 90 off of
Yeah.
And then if we were
Test,
going to follow
because
it, I think we would be
We know
like,
it's really abundant in the
or
environment.
like,
that. 030.
That's the nice
yeah, or
thing
like
about having
015.
the video to go
15.
with our
Do you agree with that?
samples.
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
that we
Do you
can
agree with that?
take
015?
Yeah.
015 for the
Yeah.
next move.
It's also very
like that.
mucusy
But I'm also just going by my localized like
Yeah.
sonar
from
versus
personal
the
experience.
actual bathymetry. But
Yeah, because bathymetry is a little different.
yeah,
Yeah. So maybe
otherwise
0.
we'll end up plowing through rocks. So.
Yeah,
Can we
good work with it.
can we zoom out and look at the high pack? See how far we are from the endpoint. I know it's quite a ways.
Yeah,
I just want to gauge how far we've come
Yeah.
since the start of the dive, and how much is left to go. Yeah, I think contouring at this what is it, 1800 meter isobath about, or
Nice.
yeah, sounds
Yeah.
good.
This
Okay.
is good.
So I'll
Between-
keep my depth here, and then
Yeah.
you can play around in my
Yeah.
view here, and then
Sounds
we'll
good.
move that way along the slope.
Sounds great.
So maybe start with a 10 or 15 meter move,
Yeah.
and then we'll see if that feels good,
Yeah.
and we'll do more that way or whatever. Okay,
Probably start out at 10 meter.
great.
Let's start 10 and just see what if this direction's actually the one we want to go.
Cool.
You want to do a step right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Show you bearings are 1-5.
Yeah.
Bless you.
Bridge
Oh.
nav.
Oh,
Thank you. Apologies, Coral. I did not see you there.
oh. Looks like the brow maybe.
I sometimes
Yeah.
wish
Some
we
of that
could
coral.
take screen grabs of bubble, because especially on these walls, like bubble always gets some amazing shots. Was the bubble camera
That's
upgraded recently?
upper cam.
Or
So
yeah.
that is upper cam.
Oh, that's upper.
Yeah. Bubble is our surveillance camera that swivels
Is
around and
upper
looks at our
cam new?
gauges. Yeah.
This here? I didn't know there was an upper cam before.
Yeah. It's up on the brow now.
Oh.
It is right next to bubble cam
Okay.
physically. But yeah,
Has that been on for a couple of years?
I think first time it officially came out was a photogrammetry cruise in 2023 that I was
Okay.
actually on. That was my first cruise ever.
Yeah. It's a nice
was
view.
ROV. Yeah.
It's a cool fan coil up there.
But yeah, definitely, if you guys see me about to hit one of these corals, just let me know, because there's a lot to watch right now.
Right, can you, is it good to send a position
Yeah.
reset? Thank you.
Yeah. That's only an issue if I'm in
There you go.
autos, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's reset.
Sorry, I'm kind of waiting for you.
Yeah,
I'll
you got the
play
NA174.
around down here. See if I can see anything. Steve, we're kind of waiting for tether, so if you see
Yep.
stuff you want to look at, you
Yeah, we'll do.
just let us know.
Can we zoom on the sea star here?
Yeah.
Snap zoom on sea star, copy.
It's a lot of dead sponge rubble or whatever.
Actually, a brittle star.
There's another sea star down there. You can see it in the wide field of
Yeah.
view camera.
This is
Yeah,
this is an
orange
ophiacanthid. It looks like it fell off. These are the ones that the base jumpers.
That is full zoom.
Yeah,
Okay.
Roger, I'm quite far from it.
All right, coming out.
Oh, it's a cool coral underneath you.
Just had a question. Has
Which
Nautilus ever dove in New Zealand waters?
Which one?
Negative.
Back up
Negative.
underneath your porch.
All right,
Ship movement complete.
Roger.
And we were at sea during the earthquake a few
Looks like
weeks
it needs to
ago.
settle out a bit.
However, we were still south of the
it a
equator
couple
in the
minutes.
deep sea and didn't really feel much of it.
These
Are
are
you looking
huge
at the
sponges, eh?
bamboo, like the white one?
No, it'll
Oh.
come into view here. On this camera. See that
Chrysogorgia.
Oh, yeah.
candle, that candlestick one?
Red
I
crinoid.
see.
Yeah.
I thought it was cool.
Also, Rye, you're getting some love. They can't believe you've only been on for a year or so. You're doing amazing.
Ah, thank you. Yeah, I think first time I sat Herc was pretty much about a year ago now.
Yeah, we love Rye. We love Rye and Levi. Our ROV pilots are amazing.
Boo, 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 boo.
That's cool.
There's a bit of predation going on over there if you want to
yeah,
check
you
that
wanna,
out.
oh yeah. Okay, let's go look at that.
One of Chris Ma's sea stars is gorging himself on a coral.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
we don't have a
cool.
call in
That's
line, unfortunately, but
Big looking star.
actually you can see you get a good look of the stomach, the
Yeah.
pyloric stomach.
Is this the one that like
Oh,
puts
cool.
its
Stars, it's actually
When I go in
feeding in
video,
real
I'm going to try
time
not to get much closer.
Okay,
'cause
copy that.
Zoom
Zoom
on
in.
this bamboo coral. This
You
is
can
why
pan
some
me
of the
over a
bamboo
little
corals
bit.
look totally denuded of
Oh.
polyps.
Move my heading over a little bit.
Are there two there? No,
Yeah.
it's one. Okay.
That's just one.
One.
There you go.
Yeah, so you can see in the middle, the stomach is completely wrapped around.
Yeah.
I don't know, I see more arms than I expect.
Is it two?
I think it might be 2 stars. Can we pirouette a little bit and see?
Yep.
I feel like we shouldn't
Bring
be
it out
watching
so you can
this.
get a better shot.
You can go back in video.
Oh,
I'll
okay.
try to pirouette a little bit. Try not to get too close there though, but I'm putting the camera right in the rock. Hold up. I've got a little bit of current that's pushing on me, so I'm
Yeah.
Is that wide enough
just,
for you?
yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
Bonk.
Bonk.
I think I'm just scraping up a rock here. Sorry.
The sea star
You
is
think there's 2 of them, Steve?
Hipposteria.
See the one on the upper right?
Yeah.
Oh, the smaller one.
Okay, let me try to
There
just
we go.
close up one more time.
Someone else suggested there's a we should have a horror movie about sea stars. I believe
that
they
is-
made
that
one.
is
Current
actually a
took me
horror.
away there.
Yeah.
Slowly
Alright.
being digested alive over the course of
I
years.
am
There's actually some
giving myself more joy game here.
some time series evidence of this, of some dives off of the New England seamounts where the same sea stars were seen for years predating on the same piece of coral, so this is not a
Good to
fast
try again.
process.
There's a rock right next to me. That's why.
It takes probably months.
Wow.
Can you tilt me
Yeah,
down,
that
Leva?
sounds
Or weeks to
absolutely
digest.
horrifying.
Yeah.
I think I gotta do
I
this
know
above
that
it.
in one of the Suicide Squad
Okay,
movies,
coming in if that's
the,
okay.
the big
Yeah.
bad guy was a giant sea star.
That's fine.
Oh,
Yeah. Can we see 2 of them there? Steve?
I don't know. I mean, I think it's one.
Yeah, it just like kind of
It's
wraps
got
around itself.
weird arms, arm orientation. Yeah.
Coming out wide.
All right.
It's incredible how, I mean, the sea stars are almost weightless. They can really go out on the end of a branch tip
Oh, wow.
without falling.
Not very dense.
They're not heavy at all.
I think we want to move again.
Anything for a meal, I guess.
I'm looking.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Do like northbound or something.
I think 015 again. I want you to
Okay.
be a little bit more out and looking.
Back.
Do you agree with that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
10 meters.
Yeah. It's all good.
All right.
Yeah, thank you.
I can bring it further up if you'd like.
Sure.
Tell me what you need. I'm here.
Yeah, just like, yeah, that's good. I think if we see stuff, we'll tilt down, but
Okay.
Right, ship is
otherwise I
moving.
just ram into rocks. But
Those gloves.
Yeah, when I'm in the lab and I have to switch out gloves and I don't want to walk all the way to the trash can, I just put them in my pocket. So I've just found a giant.
I thought you were putting on
collection.
gloves because the temperature was coming down 1 degree more.
Yeah. Dan, you have gloves on, right?
You know, my nice warm
so.
nitrile gloves.
Well, yeah, I've got the AC coming right down on my hand where the
Yeah.
controllers are.
a very large
I can
sponge
see that, yeah. Gotta keep it very cold and
rubble.
they control
These
van. Make
control
sure
vans
these
have a much
computers are
more
happy.
like stable atmosphere. The early Nautilus control van, it was either like Arctic or Sahara Desert, depending on where you sat.
I would way rather it be like the Arctic.
Those sea stars
These
that
are
we
big,
saw,
big,
do they move as fast as the brittle
Can
stars?
we take a zoom in on this
Yeah,
on the
absolutely.
sponge rubble to see
Yeah.
if there's anything living
Yeah,
in
you've
there?
seen 'em?
Absolutely,
Yeah.
coming in.
Can you tilt me down? I think there's a coral
Sometimes
right
you can
underneath
find
me.
Really?
animals living in the
Interesting looking.
rubble
yeah.
matrix.
All the way down.
Yeah, it looks like
Yeah,
a
yeah, that's
nice little
that's
deep
good.
sea apartment complex.
kind of looks very like hairy.
Yeah.
It's a tiny, only
Crinoid?
a crinoid and
was a sponge.
small foraminifera, xenophyophores, that's about it. Okay, science is happy.
Okay,
Nice.
coming out.
So yeah, those sea stars can book it if they are motivated.
That looks itchy.
I agree. Fuzzy wuzzy was a
Wow.
sponge. Look at all these corals shooting out of here.
Wow.
Such a good place right here.
Yeah.
Cinema view is neat of them.
So much
I'm
abundance.
gonna go down a little bit. I think I
Wow.
kind of
Ship moving complete.
Roger.
Roger. We'll give it a couple minutes to settle out and then, well, honestly, I think we could put you another move,
Okay.
015.
Yeah, I agree.
Because I don't see anything coming up in the sonar that,
I'll just do a 10-meter move.
yeah.
Sweet.
And then I won't be constantly at the end of my tether. I can also come back here a little bit. It's a neat coral down there.
So we are currently at 1,838 meters below the surface. Again, exploring
Ship is moving.
a never before seen seamount, never before explored seamount. So those of you from the US, Australia, Canada, Guam, Palau, New Zealand, the Netherlands, Malaysia, Korea, Japan, Ireland, and Colombia are all seeing this live just like we are for the first time.
Familiar, Steve?
So you guys are explorers right here with us.
On the right?
Yeah.
Can we zoom in?
Yeah.
Where are we going for?
Just the right
Interesting
coral,
question.
the
Okay.
big one.
Coming in?
Yeah, I'm just gonna float it.
This is a unusual morphology, but it looks similar to the one we collected earlier in the dive.
Panning over.
That is full.
Yeah, it's got a little associate in it. Maybe?
Yep, just a little one right there.
Maybe.
Yeah, tough to tell.
I'm just coming towards
Okay.
it.
Yep,
Just
yeah.
for your zooming needs.
Focus needs.
Alright. I should be relatively stable away from it.
Nice.
Are those layers?
This bamboo's trying to fight off right here. I don't know if you can see that. They're trying to fight off these anemones by sending out these branches that kind of smother them.
Oh, so it's like covering it. And
Yeah, they have defense mechanisms.
Ah. So that's those kind of knobs there.
Yeah, yeah.
That's cool.
All right, this one looks good.
All right.
Cool, coming
Wide.
wide.
How much more is up above us, or are we kind of at the top of it?
I've got a pretty sheer wall showing up on my sonar. I don't know if the chemistry has a better...
Steve, do you know of
estimate,
any
but
invasive
hard to
species in the deep sea?
I don't know.
Do you want to tilt your heading more looking at the wall?
Interesting question.
Yeah, you kind of have to know what is characteristic of an area before you know if
And
something's
we
new
know
to it.
so little about what is
Yeah.
characteristic right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
We
Yeah, it looks
have
like the-
seen invasive
the hill kind of
lionfish
turned a
on
little bit.
dives
Yeah,
in the
that way I
Caribbean
won't have
down
to
to,
really much in front of you.
but
I can turn
so
more to wherever
lionfish
you want.
native to this
Yeah,
area,
maybe
but
another 10 or...
invasive in the Caribbean,
How far deep?
down
How's
to
that?
400 meters,
Okay.
500 meters,
I think...
which is pretty deep.
So
Have you
your
ever
heading is
eaten one?
facing-
I
They're
have.
very good.
Yes, I have. There was actually an
Yeah, I still
article
kind of feel
in
like 0 and 5 is our heading for it moves.
of
course.
I forget which paper I was reading today
Yeah, I
about
agree.
invasive
Another
lionfish
10?
Copy.
that are populating the
Sounds
Greek
good.
Isles now. That came from
Really?
They came through the Suez Canal.
Oh, wow.
And yeah, there's a fishery now for them in the Greek islands.
Huh.
It was in the paper like just today somewhere.
That's really cool.
Yeah. Yeah, that could be a bad news story for the
Yeah.
Mediterranean though if they spread,
I haven't really flown pilot in this configuration, so if
Yeah.
I'm doing anything that you
because
think is...
they do
No,
Not
it's
advised. Okay.
this
harm
go like
local
this,
fish
so it's tricky.
populations
Yeah.
Definitely.
in
Because like the
invaded
hill is never the same,
waters.
and then
I just feel like you
it's
go
a little bit
slower, yeah.
You go slower. And
Yeah, I know
we're
down
doing
in the
great.
Caribbean
this
there's
is how it
lots of like lionfish roundups kind of thing where they have different events where
Just
they
takes
try
more
and see how
time.
many they
But
can
the
catch.
alternative is if we go to the top, it's just flat and
Yeah.
like boring.
Yeah.
So this is the good stuff. So we'll stay here.
Totally.
It is unclear how much is left to go up.
More
Yeah.
people
When it
wondering
contours.
Oh, we
maybe
have
there might
something
be
cool
some
up here.
invasive
at the top,
urchins.
so like There's not
but
much left.
again, we don't know
So this is,
enough about
Watch
and there's a lot of good
this.
stuff
what is
here. So
Oh, wow,
characteristic.
look at that.
of
Chrysogorgia
these
to the
areas.
right.
like, look at that. What is that?
Yeah.
You see all that stuff? Look at that.
Oh, Steve,
It
there's
looks like
some
a
things that
bubblegum
are-
coral, but like a fireworks.
That's
Look at that.
wild.
Yeah, so,
Yeah,
Oh,
this is great.
Is that one big colony with like
so
a...
I think
this,
it's like
I
bubblegums.
think we should go ahead and take a small clipping of this, but
Sure.
I believe this is in
I'm gonna pan around it a little bit and then
the
I'll
genus
come back.
Rodan iridigorgia, and it actually is a new species. It just hasn't been described yet.
Rodan iridigorgia.
Rodan iridigorgia. Yeah, it's
Rodan
yeah. Let's go ahead and take a clipping of this while we're here.
Do you want the, which one do you want?
Fluffy.
This one here.
Okay,
Not the
Cool.
bamboo.
yeah.
Or bubblegum.
Okay, I'm gonna come up and
It's an old
perch on
bubblegum.
the rock up there.
I put it in the chat. Let's scan through to see if there's any associates with this first.
Sure.
So this is known. I've last
gonna
seen this
perch.
I'll wait
at
for you to be
Howland and
good,
Baker
yep.
Islands, which is actually not far from
Do you
here.
wanna show
to
me
the
my
east.
porch? Here, I can.
I get
I got
split tie there.
Next seamount
Yeah,
chain
yeah.
over to the east, I guess,
Here.
if you consider
All
it's. Let's see how far we are.
I'm just gonna try to find a spot to sit down, Steve, and then.
Kind of looks like there's a
This-
giant star behind it too.
Yeah.
Kind of
This will be our 200th sample.
200.
All right.
Ooh. Bow, bow, bow.
Bow, 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 bow.
So I'm thinking there's a brittle star over here, and there's also
Yeah.
a squat lobster up there. Maybe we can look at those two spots
Yeah,
for
sure. I'm
collection.
just trying to find a spot that's actually.
So this is a genus. It belongs to the golden corals, the Chrysogorgiidae,
There
but
we go.
it's actually in the genus
Down the rock.
Rodan iridigorgia, and Rodan iridigorgia has, I think, 2 or 3 species in the Pacific. It's a relatively new genus, and this one, Rodan iridigorgia,
Oh,
Rodan means
interesting.
wavy
What's up?
in
I've
Latin.
been in auto heading
So
this whole
the
time.
axis, instead of being
I thought you knew that.
like
I
a
almost
helical
told you.
coil, is
Uh-huh.
actually, it's more
No, I
like a
didn't know
wave
that.
if you look at
Oh,
it down the
cool.
long axis.
Is
That would
it ever
explain
since I
some
gave
things.
it
That's
to you?
why it's so
No,
named.
no.
Oh yeah,
This
you
is
can
the last
kind of see
sample.
it in this
All right,
view
video.
over here.
All right,
Zoom at your heart's content.
coming in.
The ship is stationary.
Roger, perfect. This is great. I like her
Some
setup.
crinoids next to it as well.
Where are we?
So you want me to look there, Steve?
Yeah, and then up top, I want to look at both spots just to be doubly sure about which
It's
one is
just-
better. We always like to collect an associate so we know what kinds of animals are found on these corals. So this is an Ophiocanthid brittle star. And I can
And then where
zoom
was
out
the squat
Very
lobster?
it's up and to the
Cool.
right.
Yeah.
Let me come out a little bit.
Oh yeah, I see. Over
yeah,
there.
so
right?
we're looking here.
Yeah. All right. Video.
Coming back in.
Sorry, Levi. You could also pan the camera around if you want.
Oh, no, you're parked, so do that. What is that? It's that orange stuff on the end.
Yeah.
So get
Okay,
to-
so, all right, so let's zoom out a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Full or just?
I think, yeah, I think
Cool.
I would like to actually collect this branch. Do you think that's doable?
Yeah. Let's see, check my arm reach ability.
Right,
Yeah.
You are full.
You're in a
So
pro.
right here.
Let's see if that might be a little too far, but
And let's see, what do we have in the forward box?
In the forward box, we have the below
Umbellula and,
and the Paragorgia and Lambda,
Okay.
and then a bamboo coral, a pink coral, and a Chrysogorgia in Omega.
okay.
And starboard is all
do you want a partial
pretty much
zoom?
open.
Yeah, give
There's
me- Yeah.
2
Copy
rocks,
that.
but other than that,
Am I looking at the wrong
All
one?
Yeah,
right,
'cause I
choices
think
must be
you're-
made here.
A little too
Right,
far.
so
Let's see how big of a piece we get, and let's decide after that.
Bring that out for you.
This one. That one there.
Oh,
You think you'll have enough reach?
Oh yeah. Zoom in a little more. I'm
A little
ready
more?
to
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Decide which branch I'm going for. Yeah, okay. Target acquired. We have found the branch that I want to cut.
target acquired. We're moving in.
This one, right?
Yeah.
It's like,
Lobster's flexing at you.
His arms are sticking up.
I will fight you. Oh, that was beautiful.
All right,
Nice
nice.
grab.
Great
All right,
grab.
coming
So,
out.
can you see about putting it in the starboard lambda, but it's really important that we don't drop any in omega?
Okay.
Or sorry, the forward YL box on
Yeah.
the left side.
Yeah.
And this will sink.
Okay.
It's not
perfect.
a floaty.
So it needs to go in
Left side.
lambda?
Yeah.
Left side. Don't get it on the right side.
Okay. I'm bringing out the box.
So just a note on this collection, we have Rodan iridigorgia, squat
Box is
lobster,
coming
and
out.
hydroids associated with this.
And I'm going to tilt down.
Noted.
Is
Yeah.
the camera retracted?
Camera is retracted.
Beautiful.
And I'll bring you out more than that. Okay. So it needs to go in lambda, can't go in omega at all.
Yeah, I think it should be an easy drop.
And I'm just turning your heading, just so you know, in Atalanta.
Thanks.
So if you see. Okay.
Yeah, that looks good.
nice. Nice.
I had it.
I'm going to try closing that a bit and see if I can get it.
Yeah, it looks like the
Box
wings blew that
closed.
right in.
Beauty.
Do you want any more here, Steve?
That looks really good. No, I think we're all
Yeah.
set.
And that view in Cinema Cam is really neat. Very cool.
Alright.
Big colony.
Yeah, very nice collection.
Yeah.
Should I zoom in on it?
What are you trying to? Oh yeah, you could zoom
Cinema
past
lower.
the.
How do
Same with upper. Upper's neat.
I do see like a really big sea star poking its
Yeah.
like arms out behind.
Yeah, there's
Do-
something.
Do you want to zoom on
No,
that, Steve, before we go?
I think we should move on.
So cool.
Roger.
You're full wide and ready to go.
Yeah. I'm just deciding where I want to go. I think 0, 1.
Focus.
Due north, maybe, based on that
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking.
sonar.
Yeah. So it looks like the wall. And we'll just keep an eye on that little bit of like blue that's developing there. Yeah, I'm picking up. Yeah, let's do a 10-meter move due north.
Copy.
Yeah.
Is this a good time for me to do my checklist, Rye?
Yeah.
All right.
It's great.
I'll start with the.
I got my eyes like on the sonar pretty
Ship is moving.
sharp, so.
What was the sample number on that?
200.
200.
Neat.
Okay.
All right. Goodbye, corals.
I just want to see maybe
Sorry?
the sea star. Just give you a glimpse over to the left.
Yeah.
You see that little sea star.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
The red one.
Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah, I'll just pivot
Yeah,
as
it's
we
a
go
nice
around.
view. You can see the long axis of the
That's so
branches.
cool.
Yeah, it's on both sides. I think that's
Wow.
actually. Oh no, it's one big colony. It's all coming out of the same base there.
Wow.
Alright.
Probably.
I'm gonna be at the end of my tether pretty much right away, so.
It's a huge coral.
Look, wow, one of them that's on the ground way down there.
Wow,
That's
yeah, that's a large piece of
Incredible.
rubble.
I've taken the mute off. Can we do the last Niskin now?
Sure.
Sure.
Yeah, I think it's a
Great.
good idea.
Thank you. So this is bottle 6, I believe.
Okay.
Leela, can you let me know the depth?
You can just float. I can handle cameras.
Sure.
1839 meters.
Thank you.
I mean, I can also just like take my hand off and pan you over. I'm gonna retract Just stand above this coral. Panning left. Tilting down. Is this, yeah, the last one?
Should be the last one.
Yes.
All right, we got eyes on.
Yeah, I'm watching.
There we go. Step 1, hook the loop. A bit quicker than that. All right, here we go. Step 2, pull the loop.
Okay.
Did it
Hasn't
go?
gone yet. Not yet.
How about
That
now?
went, I think.
Pulled it pretty far.
Nice.
Cool.
We can also bring up port starboard lights and see for sure.
Okay.
Because you don't have those right now.
Roger.
Alright. Sorry, panning.
Yeah, you're good. I think I'm good. Might be a little inboard, but
You want to see it more? You good?
I think it's good.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, if you bring up port starboard lights, we can be for sure.
Okay.
If you want.
Home assistant.
Look at the size of that base on that coral
Port
over
light's
there.
coming on.
That
Yeah,
is a
this
dinner
one?
plate, huh?
I was just looking at that.
Holy moly.
That's massive.
Wow.
Do you want to zoom on that at all?
Yeah, do you want me to go in?
Yeah, we can do a little bit of a beauty shot.
Wow.
All right,
Yeah.
come in real quick.
Just
What's the name of that?
gonna pan up.
That's a bamboo coral.
I'm
It's been
drifting
collected before, so I don't
There you
know
go.
the name
So
of it
that's like
right now.
This stalk is like a really
15
pretty kind of
centimeters,
But I know-
maybe?
It's a pretty thick
Yeah.
stalk.
Yeah, it looks very thick.
Yeah,
Something
15
like that
centimeters
is
wide.
probably a couple hundred years old.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
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 Alright,
I'm
coming back
familiar
that
with
way.
that
100 years
colony
old.
morphotype, though.
Incredible.
It's beautiful.
We have
All right,
we have
I'm gonna
seen
move
that off
along
of
then.
Johnston Atoll, and we've collected pieces of that before. So it looks remarkably similar to that.
I
So
feel like I'm not turning the lights on.
we
Hi.
can
1800.
check that as part
What
of
were
the
you
inventory.
doing then?
I don't think the lights are coming on.
Oh.
Are we heading up during our shift?
TBC. Our off-bottom time. So let's assume we stay at around 1,800 meters. What time do we need to leave the bottom to be on deck at 5?
Want to do
Front row?
another?
Got to do
you
some
wanna
math.
tilt
Is
your
that
heading
another
to look
sea
at me
star?
more, Levi?
Predatory sea
I
star?
think you're
Right.
pulling me off.
Oh,
Kind
apologies.
of oranges.
I see.
Steve,
That would make
someone in
more
our
sense.
chat just said, if they win the lottery, they will finance your taxonomy dreams.
That is so tempting. You have no
Okay.
idea.
Let's do another move. Yeah, do north again.
360.
You could even do. Yeah, do north. Yeah, sorry. That was
Yeah.
good. Yeah, we can just go directly over.
I think I actually want you like a little closer to the
Are those more
Cool.
dead
profile.
stalks
So
in the
due
rocks?
north will put us there.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
good.
Old bases?
Due north then.
You know what's
Yeah.
what's better
I'll
than
have you go then.
donating money to me,
That's
though?
90 degrees
Go
off
out
of
and
me.
support your local museums
Yeah.
Would be
And your
90 degrees
public
off of
school
me.
teachers.
and public schools. Yes.
And your local
Right.
libraries.
Yes,
gonna go
I
that
love
way.
it. All of those
Sorry,
great things.
I can't hear you over everybody else.
Sorry, sorry.
I'm gonna putting me due north is gonna put me that way. So we'll
Oh,
have you-
so we
we'll
want to
have
go.
you- so we'll have-
So we want to go in more, don't we?
That's okay. We're gonna just go down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So once you,
Get closer to you.
yeah,
Yeah.
and explore
Down.
northbound. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Just come
Roger.
center line and look that way.
Yeah. Sounds good.
And if it's just all sediment, we can go back to the rocks.
Yeah.
If it's not it looks pretty hard on my sonar though. So
Roger.
So we're waiting for our time still,
Might be some cool stuff under this.
or off bottom time?
Yeah, to be confirmed. I think
Okay.
I estimate. Let's see.
so we're at 1,800. It takes.
Yeah,
We're only
it's
go like
definitely
20.
a little bit sedimenty down here.
So 72 minutes of ascent time, and they want to recover at
I estimate with some flexibility factor an hour and a half up. Is that reasonable?
Yeah, that's a pretty good estimate, Steve.
Yeah.
Depending on how many plates you decide to.
It's a big anemone maybe here.
Oh yeah, I see what you're looking at.
Oh, so we're kind of sitting in the sediment. This is the bottom of the thing then, eh?
Yeah, so we're doing a ship move, and then we're gonna kind of figure out what direction we want to keep going.
Do we want that anemone while we're down
So
here?
we've been getting between 200 and 300 liters per sample on this
Oh, sorry,
dive
Wow.
for our
pulling on my
eDNA.
Nice.
You can
That's
zoom for
a
now, video.
lot.
Just
Yeah.
gotta
So-
wait.
One
Yep, no
sample
problem.
went up to 450.
Can we,
So-
Wow.
before, we're not moving, right?
Nope.
Okay, can we maybe look at another rock
Yeah.
on this pile here?
Okay, let me
Okay,
come out real
wide
quick.
video.
Three is a really good number, and
Yeah.
like maybe that one.
I don't know if we can reach those, Steve.
I don't think
No,
I can reach
not
those,
yet.
yeah.
We could look for other rocks. I just don't have time to get there.
Yep.
I mean, we can do a ship move if we want.
Yeah, we could move over there, though.
So,
So I'm about to move that way. Right?
yeah.
Northbound.
So I'm at,
So yeah, if you could.
sorry, I'm just looking at where I want to go.
I wish I could turn these lights on. Cause
So
I
we
feel-
basically
I
want to
feel
go,
like that
you're
Niskin
heading.
didn't close too, by the way.
I don't
Do
think
we
it
ever
did.
see bioluminescence on these dives?
Okay,
Or are lights too bright?
here's what I want to do.
Yeah.
I want to give you a ship move 10 meters 270.
Yeah, just to get closer to
Yeah.
you.
270I,
Yeah.
10 meters.
Sounds good.
And then that should put you like right in that edge of the green and stuff.
Bridge, nav.
Let's try the Niskin again, right here.
Okay.
So, for data's purposes, the Niskin did not fire.
Oh, it didn't?
No.
Okay.
We thought it
Niskin
did, it
6
did
did not fire.
Yeah, we can
So we're
see
gonna
what-
try to fire it again.
Okay, so it wasn't, okay. Sounds good.
I guess I could just
Yeah,
pull-
sorry about that.
Okay, Steve,
No
if it
problem.
fires again, do you think I can just...
I keep the number. It's already
Okay.
been submitted, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would just keep the number. We haven't moved
Right.
hardly
Yeah, we're
any.
like in the same spot.
So
Are we
we're-
still 1839 I had for the depth? Is that
1841.
41?
No.
Really close. Got it.
Ship is moving.
Okay.
Roger.
And that's full iris on my side, so.
Yeah, there, that went.
So that,
Did it
That's a
go?
pop.
That one went.
Yay. Thank
Right.
you.
So should I just change out the times on the
Just
sheet?
make a note on the sample sheet.
Okay.
Yeah, of the time. We don't need to enter a new C log.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Leela, is this a new number?
No new number.
No new number? Okay.
Okay, should they drop a new pin with the same number? Or do we
haven't
not
really
care? Yeah, we're
moved,
pretty
so-
close.
Yeah,
Super
I think
close.
I'd just leave it as is.
Okay. Thanks, Nav.
Yeah.
Copy.
And Steve, we're basically just waiting for ship move to get
Yep.
poke some of these rocks, and that will also put us in a better position for starting
Yeah.
to keep going on the profile.
So
So 5 meters left.
here's the
to move
plan. We'll move over to the rocks.
Yeah.
We'll poke / sample, and then we kind of want to shoot to the top of this
Okay.
feature.
Before
relief.
we finish the dive.
And then, yeah, let's see what we have up top, and
Yeah, Roger.
then make a decision about where to go.
Sounds like a plan.
Someone in the
Yeah, just wait.
chat mentioned that those little tie wraps on the pull rings on the Niskin bottles can degrade with prolonged exposure, and that might be why they detach. However, we don't really have prolonged exposure because most of the time the ROV is inside an ROV hangar.
Yeah, it's possible getting temperature cycled.
Yeah, the temperature cycling
I usually
maybe.
definitely get, like, I think maybe 4 dives ago, those were all reattached, so
Yeah,
it's a
so
little bit weird that they broke, but we'll check it out.
What's cool is that we do have 3D printing.
Yeah.
It's a cool advancement.
Super cool we're able to 3D print on a moving ship as well. Like, really interesting.
I feel like we didn't go anywhere.
10-meter moves, yeah.
Yeah.
That ship movement is complete now.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I feel like I felt my move going this way, so now the move going forward will probably hit me.
Yeah, okay. So you think we'll swing into that?
I think you'll swing.
Okay.
I'll swing forward a little more.
Okay. I'm definitely getting a little bit of tether now, but...
Your back right just hit.
Sorry?
Bonk.
The back right of the vehicle hit the ground, so you know.
I see. Yeah, I see.
Good.
Thank you. So it gets steep behind me again. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a little ledge,
Yeah,
basically.
I see. Corals.
A real long one up there. Another long bamboo coral, maybe?
Well, yeah, that's a sparse branching keratoisidid. Yeah, bamboos are really, really diverse in the deep ocean.
I'm learning that the more I take part in these dives.
Yep. There are a few shallow water bamboos, but they don't belong to the same family anymore as these.
Okay.
But you can see like the node, internode
I can get in
Oh,
there
you
now.
can?
morphology
Okay,
and some.
cool.
There's some shallow
Just watching
water
my
families and
back camera.
subfamilies.
Here. So this is
They're
the
very
area,
rare,
right,
though.
Steve? Down in the right-hand bottom
Yeah,
of the
something
screen?
like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Either
Lots
I
of
think either
rubble.
here or here, maybe.
Yeah, okay.
Whatever you can do with the tether you've got,
Yeah,
I think is
I think we're fine.
gonna be good enough.
Rye just had a comment that says, Rye is so cool, and I have to agree, she is so cool.
Ouch.
Wait, right, did you write that?
No. But that person has very good and correct opinions. So.
Agreed,
True.
agreed.
It'd be funny if you're over there, like, writing in the comments. Rise amazing.
Thanks, Mom. I don't actually know what time it is in Victoria right now,
It.
but
No clue.
all right. Let's do auto head. See if that settles out for a
I
sec
can
here.
tell you it's 10:14 p.m. in Arkansas.
It's 8:14 p.m. in Victoria.
I think I'm just perched on a rock here.
I love those.
Okay,
They're so
let's
cool
try that.
looking.
All right, which rock would you like me to put? Let's see.
Steve, any?
Yeah, can we look down and to the right?
Yeah,
And
Put this little
absolutely.
there.
Like
Got it.
that one?
yeah, let's see what you got there. Looks crusty, but
I think I'm drifting a bit.
Oh,
Sorry.
it moves.
Nice.
all right. Let's go ahead and stow it.
Okay, here, just give me a second.
Okay, I'll stand by.
The claw.
Okay,
Toy Story.
I think you should begin.
The claw.
In theory, in theory.
From Toy Story.
Yeah.
OG Toy Story. Before some of our expedition participants were born.
That's
I watched Toy
crazy.
Story as a kid. So many times.
But I think it was made in like the 90s.
Was it really?
92,
Yeah.
I think. Was it?
It was still like definitely around when
Yeah.
I was a kid, I feel like.
Yeah, I feel so
seen the
old
Family
when
Guy
I
on
learn how,
YouTube?
what year some of y'all were born.
All right, you want to show and tell your rock?
95.
95.
95. All right, I stand corrected. I would have thought it was like early 2000s.
Just look at it.
Really? It's a 95?
Gorgeous.
It's a beaut.
It's pretty small, Steve.
It is pretty small. All right, well, we don't have much time left, so let's just stow it and
Do it.
copy going wide. Carry on with the remaining
I like to
15
put these
minutes
on
or
the
so we have.
starboard
Okay, you got a crab view there. Okay, let me know when you're ready for sample salvo.
Yeah, you can do it.
We have nothing in the outer box,
Sorry,
outer
wrong one.
starboard
There we go.
boxes, right?
Nope.
Yeah, might want to just
E
stow it
and
there.
F are both empty.
E or F,